In this video, we will explain how to measure and order for a face fit. If your window has an architrave, start by measuring the width from the outer edges of the architrave to the millimetre. Repeat the same step for the height. For windows without an architrave, measure the width inside of the reveal. Now repeat these steps for the height measurement. Ensure that you use the hard measurements that you have taken and do not make any deductions. If you need further assistance, book a free video consultation with one of our product specialists.